ongoing as we speak.
With an aim to improving the livelihood and encouraging entrepreneurial qualities of fish farmers of the state, the Department of Fisheries organized the 6th State Aquafest on Wednesday at State Central Library premises. Talking to media person, Secretary Fisheries Department S.C. Sadhu said that the Aquafest was being organized by the Fisheries Department with an objective to encourage the fish farmers of the state and provide them the opportunity to sell their produce, while adding that this will facilitate interaction with various entrepreneurs. Sadhu added that this will also update the fish farmers with the latest technology so that they will improve their production and get better price for their produce in the long run.
This government has taken initiative, particularly earlier we had this Meghalaya State Aquaculture Mission 1.0. Now we are running 2.0 with the main objective of making Meghalaya self-sufficient in terms of fish production. You know that substantial requirement of our fish is being met from imports from other states. So we want to reduce the dependence on other states so that Meghalaya, as we have enough water bodies and enough entrepreneurs and skilled fish farmers, so that we should reduce our dependency on other states so that we can have our own consumption, and also that whatever money which was going for outside to purchase fish will be in our state, and our farmers, fish farmers in general, will be benefited.